So today it's all about your sweet spot. I want to tell you a story about Warren Buffett. Some of you know him, some of you wouldn't have known of him. He at any one stage is between the first and the third richest guy on the planet. As we stand here today, he's worth about $68 billion. Just to think of that number, it's a pretty big number, right? Now he is also famed for being probably one of the smartest investors to ever grace the planet. And you want to know that in Warren's office, he's got a photo of a guy called Ted Williams. Now, Ted was a baseball player over in America, and he died in 2002 and played from the Boston Red Sox from 1930s to 60s. It's a long time to have played a baseball. And old Ted is known and remembered mostly for the most amount of his home runs, which is pretty impressive. You know, that's the number one stats. The second stat is he's also known, why Warren has got him on that wall is that he's got the most amount of walks in the entire history of baseball. Now, for the people that are watching my video and are saying what a walk is in a baseball, or you'd want to know what it is, basically it's this, that when you are a batter in the game, they throw the ball full at you, and if you strike and you miss, you're going to go and sit down. But if you get a walk, basically what that means is they throw the ball at you and you do not swing. So because you don't want to have a hit at that ball. If you think about that, that's a pretty amazing stat. Yes. So he has hit many balls over the fence, but he also didn't hit the most and took a pass and walked to the first base. And that's the real reason why Warren Buffett's got Ted Williams on his wall. Because he knew which balls to hit and, more importantly, which ones not to hit. So how does this apply to you and your business? Let's have a look at this. I'm going to put here the sweet spot for you. Think about your business. Think about the history. What are the areas? What are the customers? What are the industries where you know you really do well every single time? That's your sweet spot. And it's like Ted, when you get that nice bit of business, you can knock the thing over the fence and it's beautiful to watch for you. So that's your sweet spot. Now let's think about you and your business like this. What are the balls in your business you've had a go at in the past and you've done a really lousy job, all right? So when you've had a swing or when you've missed it or got a strike, throw the bat down, etc., etc. You've done badly. Now, when I was putting this flip chart together, why do people have a swing at the wrong balls in business was a question I had in mind. And I boiled it down to 4 things. So let's get through this, and I want you to think about yourself like you are the batter because you are doing this right now. You're batting in your business. Let's have a look at the first one. Fear. Think about it as a batsman and someone throwing a ball at you. And if you're in that fearful state of, oh, hell, I have to have a hit because I got to pay the bills, etc. And I start to swing and I swing for the wrong ball, I think a lot of people literally think and stuff it up because they are coming from that place of scarcity, that place of fear, okay? And I'm going to challenge you, is that you? And it's maybe that's not the right form of business that is just detracting you from getting to the sweet spot here. Here's number 2, and that's overeager. Okay, I've seen in the early days of my business, I thought I'm playing the game of business. I gotta get in and have a head or hit at every ball, all right? So I'm sort of more of overeager at that point of time. I'm up there, I have to hit at every ball. I think that's a bad idea. A lot of people do that. So if you are one of those people, you don't have to hit at every ball. I only hit at the right ones, okay? The right customers, the right margin, the right industry. I'll let you define what your sweet spot looks for you, okay? So the next one is drama. How many people have had a swing and a miss at drama, whereby a new opportunity has come past your door, you're so in love and infatuated with that particular opportunity, you go and have a swing. It's completely outside of your sweet spot, yeah? And which you have the impression that one's going to bring you and take you to the promised land. I promise you, that has cost a huge amount of money for most people. That's the number 3. And here's the number 4, it's apathy. Why have got apathy? Basically laziness, unconcern. What have is up here is, I think sometimes in business people get playing the game of baseball for so long, where they go, oh, I know everything about the business, so let's just have a hit at the balls that come along, and that's the reason why I don't put a huge amount of focus and energy in it, and that's why it comes off the corner off your bat and sails off into the crowd. So which ones of these four you don't have to be one? Now, I've coached a lot of people over these years and have probably got multiple here. What's your sweet spot is a thing to remember. What do you need to bring to yourself, just into your team and yourself? Go after the sweet spot. It'll make you more money. You will be like Warren Buffett with more dirhams in your back pocket. That's how it is. And also be aware of these four things and get going at your sweet spot. Thanks for listening, guys, and have a great day. This is Priscilla Khambatta, your business coach, changing lives of every committed business owner.